Welcome to Wisdom tutorial on using the Arduino serial monitor for debugging. In this video, we will explore the importance of the serial monitor and how it can be used to troubleshoot and debug Arduino projects. The Arduino serial monitor is a powerful tool that allows you to communicate with your Arduino board and monitor the data being sent and received in real time. It's particularly useful for debugging your projects as it provides valuable insights into the behavior of your code and the sensor readings. One common use of the serial monitor is to display sensor readings by using the communication port function of the Arduino block. You can send sensor data to the serial monitor for analysis. Additionally, the serial monitor is very essential for troubleshooting communication between your Arduino board and other devices. Whether you are working with sensors, displays, or external modules, monitoring the serial communication can help you diagnose connection problems and ensure data integrity. Let us quickly demonstrate the use of serial monitor by connecting an ultrasonic sensor to the Arduino board and monitoring the range value coming from the ultrasonic sensor to the Arduino on the serial monitor. To do this, we need to arrange these circuits. VCC pin of the ultrasonic sensor will be connected to 5 volts on the Arduino board. The trigger pin will be connected to pin 7. The echo pin will go to digital pin 6 and the ground pin of the ultrasonic sensor will be connected to ground on the Arduino board. Now that we are done with the circuit arrangement, let us move to the Arduino block software and program the circuits. First, we go to the variable section and click on create variable. This will give us chance to give any name of our choice to the variable we are trying to create. This variable will be used to store the distance data value coming from the ultrasonic sensor. So we are going to give it a name that is related to its function. We will give it distance. After which, you can then pick the set variable block and drag it into the workspace. We are also going to set the variable to 0. So we go to the math section and pick the number block. Then we go to structure and pick the setup and loop block. After which, we go to the serial comp section and pick the port monitor block. This block is responsible for configuring the serial monitor for us to display data later on. Also, in the set variable block, let us change the variable type to integer since we are interested in keeping only numbers in it. Then, we go to variable again and pick the put the variable block. This block is responsible for assigning a new value to the already created distance variable. Then, we move to input sensor section and pick the rangefinder block because the ultrasonic sensor is actually a rangefinder. Now, with this block combination, the actual value coming from the ultrasonic sensor will now be stored into the distance variable. Let us now change the trig pin to 7 and the echo pin to 6 because pin 7 and 6 were used on the Arduino board. Next, we go back to serial com and pick the port monitor print block. This block is responsible for printing data values to the serial monitor. Then, we go to the variable section and pick the distance block. With this block combination, the current value of the distance variable will be printed to the serial monitor. Let us now select the port our Arduino board is connected to and then upload the code to see the result. After uploading the code, we then click on the serial monitor button to open the serial monitor and then click the play button. As you can see, the value being measured by the ultrasonic sensor is now being displayed on the serial monitor. We are now at the end of the tutorial for now. We shall continue to dive deeper into coding and robotics in the upcoming videos. Until then, keep practicing and don't forget to always read your book. Thank you.